What is going on, YouTube? We got this beast out here. Let me fill you in on what we got going on here exactly. This is an M2C build, pretty much. It's got a scorched titanium chassis, Max 6 1650, center braces M2C, top plate brace Basher Queen, M2C mounts here, M2C shock towers, obviously front and back, the new RPM, but I broke my wing, didn't even realize the wing was broke. M2C top plate, Basher Queen carbon fiber, M2C Vidavon bulkheads front and back, Vidavon hubs and knuckles front and back, M2C out drives, M2C hinge pins, yeah, 3DRC, bumper sport. Let's get this thing out here ripping. It's broke already. Oh, there it goes. I was gonna say it's broke already. Jeez, I knew the throttle was broke. Something was wrong with it. And yeah, that just twisted off an M2C lug nut, and that means this is rounded off. So as soon as I hit the power short, it rounded off. Let me see if I can find my lug nut. That's gonna do it for this one for a minute, y'all. We gotta find a wheel. I got a different wheel on there. I don't know if it's gonna hold up or not either. We're gonna try it. Oh, that's nosedive. Oh no, it came out of it. This thing's a beast, yo. I'm gonna try to hit this thing right here and see what happens. That's what happens. Oh, barely got it right. Oh, barely. As y'all should be well aware of this guy. Can't see what's back here. Oh, oh, what the hell's wrong with it? I don't know what the hell that's about. Center drive shaft? Oh, she's rolling again now. It's gotta be a pin or something in the center drive shaft. But she's rolling again now. That made no sense. Let's try to hit it again. Yeah, this ain't got to drive to one wheel there. Ain't got to drive to one front wheel there, bud. See what happens. Oh, God. Oh God, we shouldn't have seen what happened. Wonder why it's only got to drive to one front wheel. What happens if it hits this? Well, why don't I drive to the front? Center differential. That's what's wrong with it. Pin in the front diff broke. Only getting drive to one wheel. It cleared that just enough to get over it. I'm gonna have to quit though, or it's gonna tear that diff up. I wanna hit this little flap right here one time, right here beside me. It's snowing out here, y'all, 33 degrees. Hit the right spot. Oh no. Hit the right spot. Oh no. I didn't realize it was gonna flip. My dumb ass is watching the spot, not the truck. Ah, boys. We broke her now for sure. That was my own fault though, 100%. What'd we break? Link. Oh, boys, that's gonna do it. This thing's a beast. It was my own fault, it's broke. Out here just being dumb. Horse ass and ain't really drove around much lately. Ain't got no good jumps. I'm making excuses. That was 100% my fault. And I only had one wheel drive up in front anyway. So we're going to have to pull that diff back out, get a new link on it. CNHL, 6,000 milliamp, 70C, Max 6, 1650, M2C, everything. You guys, I'll show you the introduction or at the end of it, either way, but it's freezing out here. If you ain't doing something you love. Hey guys, spread the word on the YouTube channel. Let's get this thing taken off if you can. If y'all don't mind helping me out, it'd be greatly appreciated. Peace out, y'all.